Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your babe Asanwa baby. Asanwa baby. Hello, welcome on board. It's Asanwa in the house. Today I'm going to share with you guys how I achieved this glam smoky green eyeshadow. Yeah, this is the bomb.com. Okay, if you want to see how I achieved this makeup look, stay tuned to watch the video, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So guys, as you can see, I've started doing my eyebrows. So I'm going to use this brows pomade Prolong Wear by MAC to do my brows, and I'll be using this brush from Sephora. So I'm going to brush my brows with spoolie, yeah, and I'll tap the excess from the brow gel. I'm going to follow my eyebrows line, yeah, to give it a define. I'll use a MAC concealer in NW40 to define my eyebrows. I'll use whatever that is left on the brush to define my upper brows. I'm going to use this to pad my eyebrows, to take any oil on it. I'm going to apply my eyeshadow base on my eyelid. So this is going to make my eyeshadow stay in place. It's not going to budge. At least it's going to last me for all day. So I'll be using this eyeshadow palette to do my eyeshadow. I'm going to use this Maybelline gel liner first. I'm going to use the same eyebrows brush on this, so I'm going to use it to line up here. I'm going to use this brush to smudge it. This will act as a base to the eyeshadow. I'm going to try to blend everything smoothly. So I'm going to use this MAC and MAC to pat on the black shadow. I'm going to use this brush for it. And this is my 217 brush, so I'll use it to pack. Yeah. Then I'll bring it here. Then I'll turn the other side to use it to blend the edges. I'll be using this social blade and daddy. So first of all, apply the daddy. Yeah, I'll tap the excess. So I'm going to pat it here. Then I'll blend. Then I'll use this my brush, the one I use to blend everything. Then I'll use the social blade. Tap add excess. Then I'll apply the social blade here. So guys, this eyeshadow look is so simple because I only use like 3 eyeshadow, like 4 to create this look. And I'll apply that again. Then I don't have anything on this brush, so whatever is left from the preview, that's what I'm using to blend everything together. Feel free to add more if you need to. So I'm going to use this MAC palette, the one that says outer here, to diffuse everything. Use it here to blend the whole place. I'm going to use the same brush. Yeah, I don't have anything on it. So guys, I'm going to use this micellar water to clean out any fallout on my face, because you can see I have so many fallouts. So I'm going to tone the area that I use micellar water to wipe. Then I'll add a little bit serum that place. Then I'll add a little bit of moisturizer. Then I'm going to add my SPF all over my face. Bring it down to my neck. Then I'm going to add my primer on my face. Yeah, make sure everything is dry. Yeah. I only add it on my cheek, on my head, on my forehead. Yeah. And I'm going to use Makeup Forever primer. This is a mattifying primer base. So I'll add it there to minimize the pores. So I'll be trying this my MAC Pro Longwear Nourishing Waterproof Foundation on camera for the first time. So I'm going to add a little pump on here. I'll add more if I need to. So I'm going to use this my 188 brush. Yeah, so I'm going to double it on my face. And I'm going to, in a circular motion, I'll bring it on under my neck. At the back of my neck as well, my ear. Yeah. So I'm going to take my sponge, my beauty blender, smooth everything. So this will make sure like I get a good blend and like to take away any excess of foundation on my face, then it will look more natural. So I'm going to take my MAC Peach Luster. I'm going to put it under my eyes to like cover any dark circles on my eyes. So I'm going to wait a little bit before blending. So I'm going to blend now. So I'm going to add I'm going to check it first. Add my Pro Longwear concealer a little bit. Then I can add more if I need to. So I'm going to. Going to contour around my face. I'm going to blend my concealer because I don't want it tacky. On my forehead. I'm going to set my under eye. I'll use this first. I normally like to use brush first. I'll use my sponge to apply more to set it. Push some on my hand here. I'm going to blend. I'm going to blend. I'm going to dust everything out now. Then I'll blend. Try to blend like pro. Make sure everything is blended seamlessly. The key to flawless foundation or flawless makeup is make sure everything is blended. I'm going to use this to set my contour. And this is Pseudo Fist Red in NW50. So I'm going to use it to set my contour. I'll bring it on my jaw. Give it some dimension. So I'm going to blend. I'm going to take this my brush. Yeah. I'm going to tighten my upper liner. So I'm going to set my eyebrows to make sure it stays in place. So use this on my brow bone. That says. Apply mascara before I put my blush. That Deepest Mineralized Skin Finish Natural to set my whole face. I'm going to use Resin Brush by MAC because I want everything to be like a natural look. Then my eyes is going to speak through my face. So I'm going to use this. It's like more on a more natural brush. So I'm going to use my Soft and Gentle Highlighter by MAC. I'm going to use my hand. The crease of my nose here. Then I'm going to I'm going to spray my face with Fizz Plus. Yeah, I'm going to use this my brush, but nothing is on the brush, just yeah. So I'm going to do my eyelash off camera, then I'll come back to show you guys my final look. All right. So I use chestnut to line my lip. This is my lip combo, chestnut here. Then here, and I add bold lip bare all over my lips. So I'm going to use this lip gloss. It's called Shade by MAC. Add a little bit shine again. Then I'm going to do this trick. So I'll use my concealer brush. I have a tutorial on this hairstyle. I'm going to link it here, so if you like it, you can check it out. It's a twist out. So guys, this is the final look. Yeah, let me zoom closer. Very glamorous and effortlessly. So guys, if you like this my makeup look, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all social media, and see you on my next video. It's your babe Asanwa. One love. Bye.